YouTube, my name is John Joseph. Welcome back to my channel, Sugar Honey IT, where we try to simplify tech for the average human. Yes, I did say human. Anyway, right, so today, today I am going to show you guys something that, you've seen my videos, you've seen I've been you've seen my videos. I've been very into the Amazon Alexa recently. Been freaking myself out, integrating it with a bunch of stuff. And I've been reading your comments. And one of the things that's not clear to my viewers is they want to know exactly how I make these connections and how I do these things. So today, I am going to give you guys a really in-depth tutorial. I mean, I'm talking down to the wire connections, everything of how I'm going to integrate an Amazon Alexa dot into a Harmony Elite. Logitech Harmony Elite is a universal remote control, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to integrate that down to the wire. You're going to love it. But before I do that, don't go anywhere. This is very important. I'm giving away an Amazon Echo Dot for free. Y'all just could have it. I mean, like, it's yours if you want it. All you have to do is go over to my sugar_honey_IT channel on Instagram. There you will find all of the contest rules and everything, and you just follow those rules and you get yourself an Amazon Echo Dot free of charge. All right, so just don't go nowhere, and when I come back, I'll show you how to set all that stuff up. Okay, very quickly before we get into it, let's do an unboxing. All right, so we have here Logitech Harmony Elite. You can get this on Amazon. I just want to show you guys what's inside before we get on with the connections. All right, let's just open this bad boy up. Opening up is always tough, right? Bang! What comes in the box? So first you get this remote control. This is no focus. This is the, I don't even know what this is. Anyway, whatever. What comes in the box? You get a remote control. You get a hub. This is what's gonna connect directly to your DirecTV box or any other box or any other device that you have that cannot connect directly to Alexa. You use these two ports here. So this can hold two extra devices. All right, this will be controlled. This will be controlled by Alexa, and this will control the other devices. I'll show you how that connects up. Then you have right here, you have a charging station. This charging station is for your remote. Just drop it in there, charge the bad boy up, you're good to go. All right, so what else comes in the box? You get an adapter. And another adapter. You get two adapters. One is for the remote control, of course, and one is for the hub. And there you have it. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, you get some, what is this? Packaging is always awesome. These guys, everyone, since Apple started packaging their iPhones with all this awesomeness, everyone else stepped up their packaging game. So everything is just unnecessarily awesome. Anyway, it makes you feel good when you're opening it, right? So you got a manual here, so you know what to do. And then you have a quick safety card. All right, that's that. Get that out of the way. Also in the box, you get another set of awesome ideas. Now, we do have, these are the IR emitters. These are what's going to basically blast the signals to your devices. There are, so actually I was wrong initially. So since we're using IR devices, then what we can do is we can connect more than two devices, because we could just point these at all of the devices that we want to control, and it'll blast out of one or two of those ports. All right, outside of the IR devices, you get your micro USB cable. This is used to connect the hub to your computer, and that's about it. Let's see. Yep, that's it. That's all we got. So, get these out of the way. Get these out of the way. Get that out of the way. Like I said, this is your remote control. Like I said, this is your remote control. It's a pretty nice looking device. Pretty easy. Awesome stuff. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and grab all of this stuff together. Put all this stuff together. Power them on. And there you go. That's your entire setup there. You got your IR cables. You have your USB cable. You have your hub. You have your two adapters. One for the remote control, one for the hub, and your manuals. So that's all you're going to get in this package. It's actually a lot, basically everything you need to connect all of this stuff up. So let's move over to the connection side. All right, guys. So just to show you guys quickly what I have done, after unboxing the Logitech Harmony, what I did was I went ahead, of course, first plugging in the power, and then I went ahead and I plugged in this IR emitter to port 1, and I placed this on top of my DirecTV receiver. This IR1, of course, everything is being ran, over the top. So you guys are gonna go ahead and run your wires needed in this. But basically, all you have to do is you just have to position this IR emit blaster in a position that it can see all of the devices. So for example, in your cabinet, you may have multiple devices. I just have this 2 boxes here. I'm only controlling 1 box. And also I have the, because the IR, this blasts an IR signal out to my DirecTV. This is also a blaster also here. So this can send a signal to my TV when it's located across the hall. Now the only downside to this is if you're in the way, the TV won't see anything. But anyway, you guys can, most of you guys will have this and your TV and everything in the same location. My setup is just a little bit different. So let's cut over to the TV so I can show you guys how, after configuring all of my devices through the app on the phone, how everything works with the remote control and everything. And then after that, finally we'll tie Alexa in and show you all how that goes. All right, the remote is set up in activities and devices. So you have activities like pre-configured. You can say watch TV or watch Roku. There's only 2 activities that I have set up, but you can set up more. And also devices, where you can go in and manually select those devices that you want to control. So I can choose, I've already pre-programmed activities, so I can say I can choose to watch TV activity, and it's going to go ahead, after I hit it, it's going to go ahead and change the TV to the appropriate channel, which is HDMI 9. And then it's going to go ahead and turn on my DirecTV, because the DirecTV is the only device that I have and the Vikings just lost. Anyway, so I have the DirecTV programmed as TV, because that's the only device I use to watch TV. So that's controlling everything properly. If I go ahead and I select activities again and I say watch Roku, it's going to go ahead and change all of my settings over to what my Roku is supposed to be, which is input 8, and I have it set to default and go to Netflix, because usually when I turn on my Roku, I go straight to Netflix and it's already in there ready to go. But also on the remote, you have the option where you can choose different apps. Those apps are shown on screen, and you can go ahead and select those apps. All right, so now the moment we've all been waiting for. You want to be able to control all of these devices with Alexa through the Harmony. See, because it's important to set up your Harmony first so that it controls all of your devices properly. And then what you can do, you can go into your Alexa app online and download the Harmony app. Sorry, the Harmony skill. You've seen in another previous video how to do that, so I'm not going to go through that right now. All you need to do is just go into your Amazon Alexa app, choose Smart Home, and add a new skill, and then you can go in there and you can customize the voice command. I've already done that, so so I can show you guys how I can say to Alexa, Alexa, turn on TV. And there you have it. What you can do though is you can go in and program favorite channels in the Harmony app. And what that would do is that would allow you to say, Alexa, turn on Disney Channel, turn on sports, and turn on all these different channels, and you'll be able to watch it. Yeah, and that's it for guys. There you have it. This is how to allow Alexa to control your Harmony remote. It's quick and easy. It's not that hard. There you have it. So that's what you all asked for, an in-depth look on how I connected up everything, what I used. I'm gonna have links in the description below for every single item, where you can get them from on Amazon. Basically, it's only one item that you need. Just need the Harmony Elite hub, and you could get that connected. Of course, you know where to get the Amazon Echo from. Or what you can do, remember having a giveaway, you can go over to my Instagram channel, sugar_honey_it, and you'll see the rules on how you can get a free Amazon Echo. And you know what? I don't know, maybe in a few weeks, I might just give away also the Harmony Elite. You never know. All right, thank you for watching this video. If it's been informative to you, just give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And like I said, in the links below, you're gonna have links to all the products. And I'm also, remember, I have to say this again, giving away, it's free, an Amazon Echo Dot. So jump over to my Instagram channel and you'll see the rules for those contents there. I'll see you guys later. Peace.